Hey! In this video I will show you the best way to dodge and burn. First go to Adjustments layer. Then I'm going to select Curves. After that click point and drag up from Properties like this. Then rename this layer to Dodge. After that select Mask and Invert layer for press keyboard, Ctrl+I. Again I am going to Adjustments layer and select Curves. After that click point and drag down from Properties like this. Then again rename layer to Burn. After that select Mask and Invert layer for press keyboard, Ctrl+I. Then again I go to the Adjustments layer and select Black and White. After that, I will go to the Properties option and put red -50 down and +90 up. Now, select Dodge layer and then select Brush tool. Put opacity 100% and flow 2 or 4%. Make sure foreground color is white. Then brush the white area like this. And then go to Layer option and select Burn layer. Now, brush only black area. Now, you can delete black and white layer. Then, create a new layer. After that, go to the Control panel and then select Hard Round Brush. Make sure opacity is 100% and flow is 100%. Then brush the skin like this. Then I am going to go to the adjustments layer and then select curves. After that, click point and drag up from properties like this. Then I go to the filter menu, then blur, and then click Gaussian blur. I think radius of 44.3 pixels is perfect for this picture. Now, use in the same way as before. I think you understand by now. If not, then follow me. Then, again go to the adjustments layer and click curves. After that, click point and drag down from properties like this. Then, click the mask and invert it, for press the keyboard Ctrl+I. Then, select all the black areas of the hair like this. Then I go to the filter menu, then blur, and then click Gaussian blur. Then, again go to the adjustments layer and click curves. After that, click point and drag up. Then invert this layer. After that, select all the white areas of the hair like this. Then I go to the filter menu, then blur, and then click Gaussian blur. Radius 81.2 is perfect for my picture. Then double click layer 8. And then I am going to go underlining layer to move triangle this side. Again double click curves layer 7. Now, select curves layer 8. After that, again select the pen tool for eye blush color change. Then follow how I use the pen tool. Then, I go to the adjustments layer and select hue saturation. From here you can change the color as you wish. I kept this color. Then I go to the filter menu, then blur, and then click Gaussian blur. Radius 9 is perfect for my picture. Now, the right side should be done in the same way. If you overbrush somewhere in the volume sequence, you can easily remove this while leaving the foreground black. Then group all layers, and then rename the layer to dodge and burn. After that, could you adjust the opacity? Done. Thank you so much for watching this video.